Hi everyone, it's Sarah Jayne here today with a new video for Bramble Fox, and in today's video I am making a mini album for some photographs from my daughter's prom from 2019. So I have cut some cardstock circles, they're 12cm circles with metal dies, and I'm using the new Cocoa Vanilla Studio Storyteller collection. I have cut some circles from the 6x8 pattern papers, and I'm going to use the cardstock stickers, the puffy hearts and the ephemera to decorate my little book. I have also cut a couple of little semicircles as I'm going to make some pocket pages. And of course I am using the Bramble Fox perspectives. I've got the balloons and stars from the balloon party pack and also the prom night from the prom night pack. So here I'm just showing you how I've made my base pages. My pages are held together just with a simple book ring, and I have attached the pattern papers to the white cardstock circles, and I've got my photographs there on my desk, and I'm going to go away and decorate the album, decorate all the pages, and I'll come back with a flip through shortly. So my album's complete, and so I thought I would give you a flip through to show you all the pages inside in detail so that you can see how I've decorated it. So the front cover has got the beautiful prom night perspective on the front, as well as 3 of the stars. I have added some ribbon to the book ring here, just some red and some black just tied on. And then inside, the first cover is just a little bit of journaling. I've decorated with some ephemera from the Storyteller collection, and there's another of the little stars just there. So the next page is a photograph of my daughter at prom. This was taken in the garden before we left for the pre-drinks at a friend's house. Again, I've added some ephemera and some other little puffy hearts from the Storyteller collection. Just some more photos taken in the garden, again decorated with stickers and ephemera from Storyteller. And then this one is the first of the pocket pages, and so I've created the pocket by doing a half circle, a semicircle of pattern paper, and then I've just stuck it down around the edge so that it leaves this section open. And this page is about the corsage that she had for her wrist. So I've just added a little bit of journaling onto that tab. And then there's a piece of ribbon stapled here. A little close-up of the corsage on her wrist. And then a real detail shot of the flowers. So those just go into that pocket. And the next page is a flip out page. This shows the details of her hair. So it's a photograph from the back of her hair, and then this flips open with a little bit of journaling inside. I just found this piece of ephemera in the Storyteller pack. It already had the hole punched in, so it just had to go in. Then I've got a vellum page. So this is just some journaling on there. And I've tried to replicate the same design on the back so that things don't show through too much. The next page is, this was taken at the pre-party at a friend's house with all her friends, and they had lots of fun taking selfies. So I've added another of those little gold star perspectives, really pretty. And then this page is this is one of my favourite pages in the whole book, actually. I love this. It's a photograph of her with one of her best friends, and I've added, again, another little star perspectives, and this little wonderful word strip, and the awesome is from the paper snips. Beautiful might be from paper snips as well, I'm not sure, I can't remember. And then just a little puffy heart from the Storyteller collection. Another photograph with her friends. This is another perspective from Bramble Fox. This is from the brand new banners and tabs set, which I believe is in the shop now, and another one of those black stars. And then I've got another pocket page. This is a photo on that side, and then there's a little bit of journaling on the back. Again, I've added the little ribbon to it. It just indicates to the person looking through the book that that bit can be pulled. Another page there. This is another photograph of her with another one of her friends. Another of those black perspectives. I've tried to put the little stars dotted throughout the book to keep a bit of a continuous theme. So there's one of the silvery white stars on there as well, and one of the floral ephemeras from Storyteller. Another one of these little tabs from the Storyteller ephemera just happened to have the hole already punched in it, so it had to go in. And a vellum page just with some journaling and some ephemera. Some journaling on this side about the limos, picking them up and taking them for a drive before dropping them off at the prom venue. Another little pull-out tab here with a little bit of journaling. This is just quite a simple page of her taking a selfie with her friend. And then this one is them all in the limo on their way to prom. Again, a little pull-out tab that goes behind the photograph. Ephemera from Storyteller, and 3 more of those lovely perspectives from the prom night pack. And then the back page on the back cover is just a very simple ephemera piece saying the story behind the photo, and then the name of the school and prom on the back. So that is my mini album all finished. I've absolutely loved making this, so much fun, and really different to the normal layouts, the normal 12 by 12 layouts that I would usually make. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.